Okay, let's go.
Are your car cream leather seats? Looks like they've seen better days and they're looking full of grease, dirt, sweat, coffee and other substances. Then you're in the right place. I'll show you today how to clean them really quick. It'll take you no time and quite easy. With just few products, as you can see there. I'll use window cleaner, a normal window cleaner, and so normal window cleaner, a turtle wax leather cleaner and conditioner, this quite at the end, a small brush, and a cloth. All you need, and a bit of elbow grease, as usual. I'll show you how my seats are looking like. They're quite dirty. I never use this car, so now I'm in the process to make the car looking better. And I'll show you, I'll clean half of the seat so we can make the difference between the clean part and the dirty part. So let's crack on. So this is like how the seat look like. I don't think it's showing on the camera exactly the dirtiness, but we'll see at the end how it looks like. The light is not perfect, but I'm trying my best. Okay. So first step, I will use the window cleaner just on a half of the seat. Be generous, don't be shy. And I'll leave it for a few seconds, the time that I'll talk with you. My plan is to clean the car, give it the MOT because it doesn't have it, and then use it. But yeah, that's the plan. Now back to work. You can already see the difference. I'm sorry, I'm trying to film in the same time, keeping the phone. So this is the first step. Okay. Don't push it too hard, just a soft touch. You can go in all the crannies and holes and everything. It starts looking better. Okay. Now I'll use the cloth to wipe the dirt. And literally just in less than a minute you can see the difference. It's quite obvious. You can see this side is quite dark and this starts getting more white, more clean, and this is just the beginning. I will give it a second so the leather to suck the window cleaner, and again I'll redo the process. Again, be generous. The window cleaner is quite cheap, so will not affect your pocket. Okay, and let's do it again. Quick tip: use a soft brush. Don't use something really tough because you're gonna scratch the leather. That'll do. And now a second to breathe. and we clean it. Starts looking better. Let me see if I can. Yes, you can see the difference. It's so obvious. Yeah, that's the difference. And now, let me check. Yeah, it's perfect. I'll literally generously pour the cleaner, and I'll do the same process. Give yourself time with this, because that'll go inside the leather and will protect the external layer, as this been damaged in time by the sun, by a lot of coffee, and a lot of indifference. Now I'll leave the conditioner to work a bit. I want to clean it, and I will show you how it looks like, and I'll carry on after this video with the other half and the rest of the seats. I want you to see the difference between a short clean on half of the seat and the other half of the seat untouched. I think a few weeks ago, a month ago, I've cleaned the seat, but just to sit on it so I can drive it, but I didn't touch it. I didn't go nuts with cleaning. So yeah, I'll clean it now and I'll show you. Okay. Just with the same cloth, or you can change it if you want, but I'll use the same cloth, nothing spectacular. And I'll wipe the cleaner conditioner. You can leave that for longer, that'll do better. And of course the seat is not in the perfect condition, but at least it's not dirty. Okay, so this is the result. Let me pick up a proper light. Hopefully you're gonna see the difference. Okay, the light decided to die on me. I'll use the other one. This is my final product. You can see on the footrest the line here, hopefully the line between the grease and the clean side of it. Okay, from here I think it's much more visible. So this is it. You can see the difference between the clean side and the dirty side. You can go more in depth, leaving the window cleaner to go into the leather and then clean it, and then when you put a conditioner, the same. So use a normal cleaner conditioner. I brought it from Halfords with, I don't know, £5, something like that. I didn't go mad with it. I'll show you again the product. Is the Turtle Wax Luxe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Brilliant. I think for normal car you don't need more than that, and you can use it for all kind of colors. I prefer to show you this because it's much more obvious with like a gray seat or black seat. You can't see it. So I will carry on with the cleaning. I'll clean all the seat and I'll clean all the seats. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully this will help you. If yes, give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe because more videos are coming. And see you on the next one. Take care.
Okay, let's go.